Hey guys, it's Pete and Jimmy here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're just out here today and we're going to give you 10 super simple steps to change a tap washer. Right, so once you get the taps out, just check the seats down in there, make sure they're all smooth. If they're not smooth, then you have to use a reseating tool and that gets a bit complicated, so just give one of the experts a call. But you can replace this one. So this is the old washer, it's all broken up, that's why it's caused the leak. So what we use a nice solid brass washer, and it has this little yellow piece here. It is a water hammer arrestor to help stop the jumper valve bouncing up and down and causing the water hammer. So we're going to replace all them with that. Alright legends, so you can pull the tap off, the spindle, replace the jumper valves, replace the O-ring on the spindle, regrease it, replace the red seal, put it all back together. That's some super easy, simple steps to replace a tap washer.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.